In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a no smoking sign in PowerPoint. Whether you're aiming to enhance a presentation with customized elements, or simply looking to create functional signage, creating a no smoking sign in PowerPoint is straightforward and accessible. Let's dive in and get started with this creative, yet simple process. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Just navigate to your desktop or applications folder and launch the PowerPoint application. Once you're in, open a new or existing PowerPoint presentation where you'd like to add your no smoking sign. With PowerPoint up and running, you're ready to begin designing. Navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. This tab is your go-to for adding any new elements such as icons, images, and text boxes to your slides. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the Icons button, usually located among options like Pictures and Shapes. Click it to open an extensive library of icons available for use. To find a stop sign, simply use the search function by typing in stop. Selecting the right icon can be a crucial part of this design process, as the stop sign provides a strong, widely recognized visual cue. Once you've typed in your search term, browse through the results and choose the stop sign that best fits your needs. Click on your chosen stop sign and then hit Insert. After inserting, take a moment to resize the stop sign to fit your slide's aesthetic. You can adjust the size by clicking and dragging from the corners of the sign. This allows you to scale it proportionally according to your visual preferences for your presentation or sign. Once your stop sign is perfectly positioned, switch to the Graphic Format tab. This is where you can tweak the appearance of your icon, locate the color options and change the stop sign color to something vibrant and attention grabbing, making the no smoking sign as noticeable as possible. Now let's add the crucial message. Return to the Insert tab and select Text Box. Click where you'd like to place the text, then type in no smoking. The text box allows you to position the text wherever it complements your stop sign effectively. With your text in place, move over to the Home tab. Here's where you can refine the appearance of your message. Increase the font size significantly, ensuring the text is not only readable but also impactful. Don't hesitate to experiment with different font styles to add personality or match the tone of your presentation. And there you have it, a fully customized no smoking sign created in PowerPoint. From presentations to practical use, this skill is a handy addition to your creative toolkit. Thanks for sticking with me, and I hope this guide empowers you to make visually compelling no smoking signs and more in PowerPoint.